Hello guys, I'm Paras the Options Guy and welcome back to today's video. And if you guys see markets continuing to move up today and Nifty especially being pretty strong, and I'm going to tell you the reason, and that is Nifty's option chain. If you see, this is the monthly option chain with the 31st October expiry, and if you see, Nifty's option chain was very bullish today. Almost all put options seeing more than 100% OI increment except for this option, because again, if you see, the liquidity over here is not that great in these options with 50 strikes, like 26, 750, 850, all these. But other than that, if you see, almost all of these strikes seeing an amazing increment in OI. And yes, definitely on the call side also you can say that the OI has increased very good, but the put side has definitely seen much more OI increment as compared to call sides. Okay, so that's why Nifty has seen a much better move as compared to Bank Nifty. Whereas in Bank Nifty, if you see, I'm going to go on the 30th October expiry over there. If you see, definitely Bank Nifty has also seen put writing, but the call writing was much higher, as not much higher, but it was definitely higher as compared to the put writing that happened in Bank Nifty. So that's why if you see, Nifty was a bit more bullish than Bank Nifty. So now what I'm going to do is show you guys again the option chain and tell you what the people in the option chain are expecting, how are the positions being made, and what can we expect in Nifty in the coming months. Now if we see over here, all the major strikes like 26,000, 26,100, 26,200, right? These strikes have seen a very big increment in their OIs over here, right? Put first, we'll talk about puts and then we'll also get to the calls. Okay, but if you see, these strikes have seen a very big increment, right? If you see 26,500 P also seeing an increment of 4 lakh, right? So what this is indicating is that Nifty will continue to move up as of now. And until where can Nifty move up? The chances are easily till 27,000 also. Because if you see over here, 27,000 PE has also seen a very good increment in OI. After that, the OI is pretty low. Yes, you can say that 27,500 PE has seen a good OI increment, but I will not go that far. Okay, let's for now stick till 27,000. So if we see Nifty over here, 27,000 P has also seen a very good OI increment throughout the day. The OI kept increasing with there being a little bit of acceleration in OI increment in the end. So it looks like Nifty might even be ready to go up till 27,500. But what we now need to see is where are we getting the entry, because we cannot enter in just like anywhere and just expect the market to go up. Okay, because something like this can happen which can take your stop loss and then the market can move up. So I'm also going to come over there, but let's talk about Bank Nifty also for a second and then we are going to go to the charts over there. So if you see Bank Nifty over here, right, in Bank Nifty, the OI increment is not that good. The OI increment, major OI increment, has only happened in 54,500P, where the OI has increased by 50% today. But aside from that, on the put side, if you see, no major OI increment, rather 55,000 P also staying pretty flat. The OI staying pretty flat throughout the day. So it looks like Bank Nifty will also continue to move, but the move in Bank Nifty as of now is not looking to be as bullish as compared to Nifty. Okay, and if you see in Bank Nifty, on the other hand, calls have also been written, not ITM calls. Definitely if you see, ITM calls have actually been unwinded up to some extent. That means there has been a bit of short covering in ITM calls. But aside from that, if you see, on the OTM side, calls have been written. So that means Bank Nifty will face a bit of resistance when it will continue to move up, given the pressure of the call sellers over here, right? But in Nifty, if you see, the good thing is that all the call sellers are all the put sellers are aggressively selling puts, right? If you saw, put sellers are selling puts on the ITM, in all the ITM strikes over here also. Even 27,000 P put sellers are selling very aggressively. And yes, you can also say that on the other hand, calls are also being sold aggressively, but those are OTM calls. What we need to give more importance to is the ITM options, what is happening in the ITM options, because that will give us a directional bias in the market. And if you see, all the way up till 27,500 also very good put writing happening over here. Okay, so Nifty's option chain is looking very bullish as compared to Bank Nifty, and Nifty can also definitely continue to move up over here, as I said, till 27,000. But does that mean we will take a position anywhere? No, the answer is not that we'll take a position anywhere. We have our levels, and those levels is what we will use to take a position in the market. Okay. Now, again, if you see the FNO data over here, if you see over here, pros have also again started to go a little bit long, right? But if you see, they've also started to exit their put short positions, right? They've started buying calls also, they've started to exit their future short positions also, and they've started to exit their put short positions also. That means these guys are not going completely overboard with the bullish sentiment. Okay, as of now, as of today's data, they're not going completely overboard with today's sentiment. On the other hand, FIs are also long, but clients are short very much. Okay, so these guys can actually push the market up by exiting their short positions. Because of these guys short covering, the market can continue to move from here. Okay, so I will give you guys a few levels, and those are the major important levels that you need to follow if you want to take a long position. And for Nifty, the major important level is going to be 26,100 to 26,000. This whole 100-point range over here, if Nifty comes and gives you a pullback over here, then you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade over here. And if Nifty, let's say, goes below 26,000, and then 25,900 is also a very good support where Nifty can take support and continue to move up. Okay, so first of all, as I said, 26,085 to 26,100, this will be your small, you can say, exact support that you need to look out for. If this zone breaks, then we will wait for the markets to come down till 26,000. Okay, and over here at 26,000, then we need to look at the price action. How is the market behaving near 26,000? If the market is behaving very bullishly, that means the market is seeing very good buying coming from here, then we will think about taking a bullish position from here. However, let's say if the market is not showing very good buying and it continues to, let's say, slowly move down throughout the day, then the next support will be 25,900 to 25,880. Okay, and this will be also a very good zone where you can go ahead and take a bullish trade in the market. Okay, and then you can also keep a very big target on the upside. Tomorrow, if you open with a gap up in the market, let's say somewhere near 26,250 or 26,280, 300, all these others, please do not take a long position. Nifty might continue to move up. You know, the way Nifty has made the price action over here, it can continue to move up even after opening with a gap up. But please keep in mind that we are not going to, go with a running train over here. Okay, rather, if we open with a gap up, we let the markets come down till 26,200. If we then get a chance over here and then the market is making any sort of a rejection from the downside, you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade from there again, and then you can easily keep a target of, first of all, 26,300 and then 26,400 also very easily on an intraday basis. But on a positional basis, you can easily keep a target till 26,500 also. There will be no problem in that. Nifty can easily go up till 26,500 also, and Nifty can also hit 26,500 tomorrow itself. Okay, so if you feel like 26,300 is a very small target for you, then what you can do is not book near 26,300, rather trail your stop loss a little bit and let the markets go up, right? And then book your profits a little bit at 26,400 and then 26,500 on the upside. As of now, the market is not showing us any signs of bearishness, so we will not ask the market how long are you going to, how much more are you going to go up. Rather, we will go with the flow of the market. Right now the market is telling us that I am bullish, so let's go with the market. Let's not try to fight the market. I said in my weekly analysis video that that the markets might be looking a little bit bearish, and the markets did try to go down a little bit, but again we started to move. Okay, hit our stop loss, no problem. Now what we need to do is again try to catch this trend on the upside, but we are not going to get very greedy. Let's say we somehow open with a gap down. Okay, one more thing, if we open with a gap down near 26,100, all these levels, then don't take a long position instantly. Okay, rather wait over here and let the markets come down a little bit till 26,040 to 26,000. In this area, go ahead and take a long position. I hope you guys understand what you have to do. Now, talking about Bank Nifty over here, the major important level for Bank Nifty again will be, first of all, the zone that I've made. If the bank nifty comes near this zone and starts to make any sort of positive price action, you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade over here. This is a very good zone where you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade. So if you open with a let's say if you open with, let's say, a gap down somewhere near 54,280, 270, because the closing, if you see, is near 54,375, the post closing. So if you open with somewhere near a gap down 250 or 200 also, that is also fine. Over here we need to see any sort of positive price action being made by bank nifty, and we can go ahead and take a long position. First target will straight up be 54,500 on the upside, and I think that should be your ultimate target. Why am I saying is, as I said, that bank nifty is not looking as bullish as nifty, at least in the option chain. The data, option chain data, is showing us that bank nifty is not as bullish as nifty. So it is better to book quick profits in bank nifty. If you want to take a positional trade, with big targets, then take a trade in nifty as of now. Taking a trade in bank nifty as of now might, I'm not saying that bank nifty will go bearish very fast, but it is not also sure that bank nifty will go very much bullish from here. So I hope you guys understood what I'm trying to say, and you did see a glimpse of it today also, where bank nifty moved only 0.5% today, whereas nifty moved up 0.8% today. Okay, so at lower levels, that will be your first support. If that support is broken, then we will look at the support of 53,900. 54,000 is also fine. So basically this zone over here, in this zone, wherever the market starts to make a higher positive price action, let's say the market comes over here, let's say after opening of the gap down, market comes over here, then what we need to see is what sort of price action is made. Any sort of, you can say, double bottom price action that you see being made over here, or maybe a sort of like this sort of pattern, you can still go ahead and take a bullish trade over here. Okay, this zone is a very good zone where you can go ahead and take a bullish trade. So that is again the another zone where you can go ahead and take a bullish trade. If that zone is also broken, then we will let the markets come down a little bit more till 53,600 to 53,500. This zone then will be a very good zone to take a long position. So as of now, going completely bearish on the market is not a solution for us. Rather, we will think about taking a long position, buying on dips. Okay, because as I said, the data is suggesting the option chain. Just a second. Yeah, the data is suggesting that you don't go bearish on the market. Someone is betting big on the market, and yes, as I said, that a lot of writing has also happened in the call side also, but it is not as much as the put side writing that is happening. So as of now, the data is not telling us to go bearish, so we will not go bearish. Rather, we will go with the flow, take a long position at lower levels. Okay, take a long position in dips. Don't just try to take a long position blindly anywhere. Okay, and tomorrow, let's say if you open near 54,500, 54,600, all these levels, don't take a long position. Please don't take a long position. Rather, let bank nifty come down and near 54,400 to 300, in this area of 100 points, wherever you see the market starts to take a good support, take a good rejection, wherever the market starts to make some sort of positive price action, you can then go ahead and take a long position. Again, then you can keep a target of 54,600 first of all, and then if you want to trail, you can continue to trail till 54,800 also. That will not be a problem. Okay, so I hope you guys understood. If you open flat, then don't take a long position instantly in bank nifty. Rather, take a long position if we get a dip. If bank nifty starts to move up in the first candle itself and crosses 54,400, all these levels, then don't take a long position instantly. Okay, you might get trapped. Rather, let the market first make a trap. Like, let's say market is moving something like this, and then the market starts to cross this high. Okay, don't take the long position in the first crossing itself. Why? Because market might maybe come down like this. Okay, take your stop loss, which you would have probably kept below this low over here, right? And then the market can move up in the second time. So if the second time the market is breaking the day high, that is when you have to take a long position if the markets open flat and start to move up. And same thing applies for nifty also. You can use the same technique in nifty also. So yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you very much for watching till the end. And I know the videos are being skipped for some days, the market analysis videos, but I just I'm just a little sick, because of which I just don't have the energy to make videos sometimes. But yeah, I will try to be as consistent as possible. But yeah, that was it for today, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye bye.